Yo, what up, y'all? Just here, also known as Justice Rogers TV, host of Just Made Sense podcast, Justice Rogers TV YouTube. As you can see, we got another package here. We got another unboxing shoe review video. This pair is from the DG Collective in Wisconsin. As you can see, still in the original box, no box top on it. And it looks like we're staying with the theme of ACGs. Wintertime is past, but here in Oregon, it's still cold, it's still rainy. So, of course, got another pair of ACGs. Not a big hiker, but I know these will be perfect for hiking. Just a regular black box. These are what are these here? Nike ACG Dog Mountains. Size 15, of course. You know what it is. Let's check these bad boys out. Now, I heard these are really good for hiking. Obviously, I'm not a hiker, but with the colder weather and crazy temperatures we have here, I need a shoe that's going to keep my feet warm. So as you can see, the grip on the bottom here is crazy. It looks like it's all rubber, but you could even see just by the texture that, yeah, that grip is nuts. So if I did want to go on a hike, these would be perfect. Typical ACG colors. A lot of purple. Got reflective dots on there for the joggers. And yeah, this is actually really tough right here. This is clean. This will be my first pair of typical ACG sneakers. For those who are not sneakerheads, for those who are not all about shoes like I am, ACG stands for All Conditions Gear. All Conditions Gear has been around since the 90s. It was made real popular by Jerry Seinfeld. He wore a lot of Nike ACG shoes on the show Seinfeld, and really made him popular. So even though, I'm not a rock climber or not an outdoors, person, I like to stay at home, homebody, chill, hang out with my people. This is still a great shoe. I'm mostly going to use this for when I'm doing work. So either it's yard work, or whether it's, I just want to put on something that I know is not going to get scuffed up. These are going to be perfect just because they're all black. They're not really going to show scuff marks. That is suede, so you will see a few marks on the suede. But other than that, these are kind of perfect for yard work. If you're out working on your car, kind of want to zoom in on the grooves here just to show that is textured and that this is really thick. It's almost like tire tread. It's almost like thick tire tread that you would have on tires on your car, or if you have specific like outdoor weather tires that are good for like snowy weather and rain and sleet. So if you live on the East Coast, these are probably really good shoes just for everyday walking around town, or if you're going to be dealing with some serious weather. These are definitely going to keep you from slipping. And these are going to last for a while. They're going to be durable. Most people, they keep their ACGs for years, unless, the shoe size changes or something. But these are going to last a long time. So shout out to Nike ACG, the whole All Conditions Gear team. Shout out to the DG Collective in Wisconsin, which is where I got these from. And we're going to try these out. These look really comfortable, though. So if you're looking for a shoe that's not too flashy, not too crazy, and you need it to last for the winter time, or you work a job where you need some durable shoes that you could kick stuff around with, I suggest these. Nike ACGs, All Conditions Gear, Dog Mountains. Just Made Sense, Justice Rogers TV.